Hi, we're Team 7182 Mechanical Paradox Cubed. I'm Havish.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Siobhan.
And I'm Steven.
For the kickoff of our Rover Ruckus season, we will be doing a Robot in 3 Days event.
We are sponsored by goBILDA from the makers of Actobotics.
We will be using the goBILDA FTC Master Kit to build our robot in 3 days.
Let's get started!
So first we need to take off the sleeve. Then we need to cut the box open. Okay. So these are all the different goBILDA components that come inside the goBILDA FTC Master Kit. Take out some of the packing peanuts.
Here's the part.
Oh no! So these are the new Never mind. Let's just put some good music during this.
Yeah. Fast forward, definitely fast forward.
So we're gonna unpackage all these things and we'll be back in a few minutes.
Now that we have unboxed all of the parts, let's feature some of our favorite components.
Okay, so this is a Yellow Jacket motor. It has a planetary gearbox and it can mount directly to channel. It's also very durable. And this is half-sided U-channel. You can see it has a variety of sizes, and these are flat plates. They also come with connectors.
So these are Rhino wheels. They're very grippy and good for drivetrains. And these are also Omni wheels, which are good for turning because they have rollers on the side. These are dual mode servos. They have continuous rotation and 280-degree modes. The kit also comes with the servo programmer, which allows you to set the endpoints for the 280-degree mode. And also for servos, they come with these connectors, which allow you to take off the stress from the servo, but still provide rotation.
This is goTube and goRail. They are both used for linear motion and also make your robot structurally sound.
Okay, so here we have a V-rail and a V-groove bearing, which is used to slide things precisely in a compact way. And we also have an assortment of beams and channels, which can be used for support.
Thank you so much to goBILDA for sponsoring us and giving us this kit for a Robot in 3 Days challenge.
Thanks for watching. Good luck this season. We hope to see you on the field.